All right, so we're still starting with the same, right? Six, three, four, five, six. Now I'm gonna tell you a different movement that you can get into. Is gonna be 7 7 flat 6. Okay, so Jésus, o oh, 7 flat 6. Okay. Now for this movement, once again, it could be a extra thing that you can do to get into the 6. All right. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna 7 on the right hand, right? So it could be B on the left hand, right? B on the left hand. All right. If you want to double octave it, you can. B on the left hand. That's a 7 on the left hand. And on the right hand, you're gonna do a 2 major inverted chord. All right. We're in the key of C, so it's gonna be F sharp, A, and D. All right. When you're practicing this in other keys, it's gonna be 4 sharp, 6, and 2. All right. So therefore, it's going to be, all right, that's your 7. Then you see these 2 fingers right here? You're going to move it a half step down as I go to the 7 flat down. So this is B flat. And on the right hand is F, A flat, and D. You could also think of it as B flat, 7 flat on the left hand. And on the right hand, it's 4, 6 flat, and 2. All my numbers are going to be from left to right. 4, 6 flat, and 2. And then you can end with a simple 6 minor. So it could be A and E, 6 and 3 on the left hand. And once again, 6 minor chord. If you want to invert it, with a C major, you can do G, C, E, right? Which would be 5 1 3. And there you go. So I'll do it again. Jésus, o conférence, all right. Now, I'm going to just play some other stuff as well that you could, I'll point out to keep in mind, all right, when I'm doing this, all right? So, all right. You'll notice when I go to that 3, right? I played a chord like this, okay? Now, when I'm doing a 3, right, and I don't want to have like that minor 3, but I want to keep it major, all right? We see this as a C inverted, right, with the 3 on the bass. So it could be J6 and that 3. Now, what this 3 is going to be 3, 1, 3. And on the right hand is going to be, left hand is E, C, E, 3, 1, 3. And on the right hand is G, C, D, G. All right, otherwise it'll be, because you're practicing this on different keys, it'll be 5, 1, 2, 5. And I'm rolling it. All right? So when you're doing like a 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to make sure, I'm recording. You want to make, I'm recording. You want to make sure that you don't want to have like that minor feel to it when you hit that 3, then you can do the 3, 1 inverted, right? So it could be Now, one thing you may also notice that you can include is when I'm playing my F chord, you'll notice that I play, right, F, G, A, C, right? This, I'm not too sure on the music theory. I think this is like a F major ninth, right? I'm not too sure. But once again, we like to factor in the idea of rolling, right? So when I'm playing a 4 chord, right, it's just your regular F, G, A, C, and this could be 4, 5, 6, 1. And look how I roll. That rolling gives you a more graceful touch than just, right? Learn to roll. Learn to roll. And even when I went to the G chord, same thing, regular G, right? Regular 5 chord. All right. G, A, B, D, 5, 6, 7, 2, and once again roll. All right. So I'm gonna do it again. That inverted. And you'll notice kind of like what rhythms I'm doing with the left and right hand. All right. So that's just something you do want to incorporate rather than just playing the chord. Right. You can see. I'm going to slow it down. I'm playing the chord.